Healthy living starts with healthy water. Whatever your water needs, feel confident knowing you have clean, healthy water. Our whole house Rhino filters are designed for long-lasting, high-performance water filtration throughout your entire home. Bring home the peace of mind that you're reducing contaminants, including up to 97% of chlorine, as well as pesticides, herbicides, and more. By reducing chlorine, experience softer skin and hair, and improve the taste of your food and drinks. Whether your water comes from a city or a well, instantly transform ordinary tap water into clean, extraordinary water. Each system comes with a pre-filter to keep sediment from entering your system. Our unique dual-flow tank design optimizes water contact time with contaminant-grabbing media, ensuring maximum contaminant reduction. Easily customize your Rhino with one or all of our system upgrades. The Pro Install Kit includes even more durable components and a bypass loop, so water never stops flowing while you replace your tanks. Our salt-free water conditioner protects your pipes and appliances from harmful scale buildup. Powerful UV filtration further protects your family against bacteria and viruses. Unlike other systems with messy media refills, these easy-to-replace tanks last for 3 to 10 years depending on the model purchased. Live healthy. Purchase your Aquasana Whole House Rhino filter today.